So, question number 1 of lesson 3, that is fiber to fabric. Question number 1 is classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Number 1 is nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. Number 2 is wool. Wool is a natural fiber because we get wool from the hair of sheep and other wool yielding animals. Then is the cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton we get from the fruits of cotton plant, that is these are known as cotton bolls. Number 4 is silk. Silk is also a natural fiber because we get silk from the cocoon of the silkworms. Then next is the polyester. Polyester is also a synthetic fiber because we make synthetic fiber in the industries. This is number 6, jute. Jute is a natural fiber. We get jute from the stem of the jute plant. So, nylon is the synthetic fiber, wool is a natural fiber, cotton is a natural fiber, silk is a natural fiber, polyester is a synthetic fiber, and jute is a natural fiber. It's clear? It is clear to you all? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now, question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. So, question number 2 is 2A. 2A is yarn is made from fibers. That means yarn, yes, it is true. Number B is spinning is a process of making fibers. It is false. Because which is the process of making fibers? Spinning is a process of making fibers. It is false. Then what is the correct answer? Can you tell me? What is the correct answer? Spinning is not a process of making fibers. Then what is the process of making fibers? What is this known as? Yarn? No. We get yarn by the process of spinning. Then fibers we get by the process of ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. Number 3. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. It is also false. False. Number D is the process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. It is right or it is yes. Yes, it is true. We get the cotton fibers by removing the seed by the process of ginning. Then number E. Number E is weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. It is also true because we can make the fabric. Fabric means the clothing material, commonly known as cloth. So we get the fabric from the yarn by the process of weaving. Number F. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of the plant. It is false because silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Then number G. Polyester is a natural fiber. It is also false because polyester is a polyester is a synthetic fiber. Then you see the question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Number A. Plant fibers are obtained from plant fibers are obtained from cotton, you write cotton plants and jute plants. Cotton plants and jute plants. And number B, animal fibers are wool and silk. So these two are, yes, you can write silk and wool and silk. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 3, A and B. You all have written these answers in your book. Then is the question number 4. Question number 4. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? So write here cotton. These answers you have to write in copy. So cotton we get from the cotton bolls, that is the fruits. And jute we get from the stem of the jute plants. Question number 1, 4, 5, 6 you have to write in your copy. You will get the PDF. Okay, answer PDF. So cotton we get from the fruits, that is known as cotton boll, and jute we get from stem of jute plant. Then question number 5. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fibers. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fibers. Number 1, ropes and mats. So these are the 2 items we get from coconut fibers. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. Process of making yarn from fiber. So the answer is the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. It's called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton cotton, wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the